Right, good day, guys. Welcome to the Forex Village. On this YouTube channel, guys, I want to share with you my journey on my funded account. I'm currently funded with Fivers. I'm actually on the first phase or level 1, so I'm still on, I would say, the test challenge, but it's on a live account, right? So here I just want to show you some trades that I've taken already and how far my journey is going. So yeah, let me just take you through some trades that I've taken, and I'm gonna show you the trades that I'm currently in right now. So I'm quickly gonna jump to my MT5. Which one is it? This one. Yeah, so guys, on this account I'm currently funded on the $10,000, as you can see up there. I've already made a profit of $59. Let me show you the trades that I've taken already. Let me show you. Let's do this by open time. It's okay. Yes, so here, as you can see, the trades that I have taken, it was the first one actually right here at the bottom. It was the EuroCAD on the 16th of August. I took this trade, the EuroCAD sell, and then I lost almost about $160. So what happened on this trade was, when I saw it losing, I actually hedged. As you can see, from the third trade up, I actually made a profit of $145 on the same EuroCAD, and then I entered the trade again on the EuroCAD. I made another $90 profit, and then the second trade also went into $90 profit. So right here I was up $153, and then I took another trade on the CAD JPY, which lost almost $95 around about. And then this trade, actually, I still believe it is going to sell, just that I would say my stop loss was hit before this pair went straight into my direction. So I'm still currently, I've opened new trades on the CAD JPY, you'll see just now. And then on the Euro Aussie, this trade, I actually made a mistake. I moved my stop loss over to break even without the trade actually hitting my first target. So I actually made a mistake, and I'm also looking to get back into this trade. As you can see, I actually went out on break even, to say, because I made 28 cents, and then $2 and $1.83, which is not the target I was looking for. So these are the only trades that I've taken. And then let's jump to the trades that I'm currently in right now. So as you can see, the CAD JPY, I've went back into the trade, and now I've also currently entered the GBP NZD on another sell, because I see a huge opportunity going down. So we'll also go to the charts and look at both these trades right now. So I'll jump to my trading view, and then let's firstly start looking at the GBP NZD. The GBP NZD, I actually have a trade running. I've been holding it for some time now. From here, I have a trade running from up there. If I can just show you what's wrong with this app now. So yeah, I'm up. This trade, as you can see right here on the blue line, I will just show you the trade on my other account. I've been selling the GBP NZD since last week, so I have another trade that's currently in profit. So right now I'm still holding the trade, and the one that I entered today, as you can see right here at the bottom, this trade right here, I'm looking to also go with it long term. So As you can see, I'm a long-term trader and my stop losses are quite wide open, so just to protect myself if it happens that the market pulls back. So I'm looking to hold this trade up until the next, let's check the next daily level. The next daily level for me would be this week right here, this week right here. Yes, so this is where I'll be looking to exit my trades on the GBP NZD. Yeah guys, I'm a long-term trader. Hey, I do not hold trades. So as you can see, this is way too far. So we'll see if I can be able to hold this trade up until that point, or if it will happen that I get out. So this will be like okay, to be realistic, on the 4 hour I see a nice level here whereby I can just exit my trades and be happy with my profits. It should be this level right there. Yeah, so this is my long-term goal on this trade. It will be a risk to reward of around about 1:6, as you can see right there, 1:6. That's how long I'm willing and ready to hold this GBP NZD trade. And then on the other side we also have the CAT JPY trade, which I like so much because it's in a serious downtrend. If you can check on the daily, as you can see, this pair is in a serious downtrend. As you can see, it has been making lower lows and lower highs, so I'm quite confident with this trade. I'm willing also to hold it to the downside for some time, for a risk to reward of 1:4, almost round about 5 there. Yeah, so guys, these are the trades that I'm currently in. I'll keep you updated on how they're running. And before I leave, let me just show you the GBP NZD trade that I've been holding for almost 2 weeks right now. So I'll log into my other account. So I have 2 accounts which are funded with Fiverr, as you can see, and painfully, as you can see, this bottom one that's at 5,748, I actually went down to the 4% drawdown. This was the first account that I bought. Then I saw my mistake, so now I bought 2 accounts just to polish up on my mistakes. And then there is the GBP NZD trade that I've been holding for 2 weeks now, and it's currently running good. The CAT JPY trade is also running good, so I'll just keep you updated. That's it for now. We'll meet next time. This is the Forex Village. Thank you.